Looking to inspire your child's creativity while teaching them a lifelong skill? Choosing the right children's sewing machine can transform learning from overwhelming to absolutely exciting. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best children's sewing machines that parents and kids love on Amazon. Make sure to check all the product links in the description box below for current prices and special deals. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Singer's Start 1304, and this machine is all about keeping things beautifully simple. You're getting a full-size machine with 6 built-in stitches that cover pretty much every basic project your kid will want to tackle. What really stands out here is that single big dial for stitch selection. No complicated menus, no confusing buttons, just turn and sew. The automatic bobbin winding works flawlessly, and that large reverse button is positioned perfectly for small hands. Your child won't waste time fumbling through settings when they're excited to create. The speed tops out around 350 to 400 stitches per minute, which honestly hits the sweet spot. It's fast enough that kids won't get frustrated waiting, but slow enough to stay safe while they're learning. Threading diagrams are printed right on the machine body, so they can thread it themselves without constantly asking for help. Here's something to consider though. With only 6 stitches, kids might outgrow the creative possibilities within a year or two if they're really passionate. But for starting out, that simplicity is actually its superpower. No overwhelm, just pure learning. At just 11.5 pounds with an included travel case, portability is fantastic. The 25-year warranty shows Singer stands behind this machine. For the price point, you're getting a reliable workhorse that'll handle years of beginner projects without breaking a sweat. At number 4, check out the Janome Derby line, and parents, this one was designed with your peace of mind in focus. This half-size portable weighs only 5 pounds and comes in 9 amazing colors, from purple thunder to mystical mint. The absolute game changer here is the finger guard on the presser foot. It's specifically shaped to make it incredibly difficult for little fingers to get anywhere near that needle. If you've got a younger child or someone who gets easily distracted, this safety feature is genuinely brilliant engineering. You're getting 10 stitch options, which gives enough variety for fun projects without overwhelming beginners. The 4-point feed dog system moves fabric smoothly, and the tension control dial lets kids adjust as they learn different materials. That built-in accessory drawer keeps everything organized, teaching good habits from day one. Now here's the reality check. This is definitely a starter machine. The half size means you can't tackle larger projects like quilts or curtains. As skills develop, kids might feel limited by the compact throat space, but that's exactly the point for ages 6 to 9. The portability factor is unbeatable though. Take it to grandma's house, bring it to sewing play dates, store it easily when not in use. For young beginners who need confidence building and safety features, this machine absolutely delivers without making them feel like they're using a toy. Landing at number 3 is the Singer M1000, and at 5.5 pounds, this is literally the lightest machine on our entire list. But don't let that fool you though. This little powerhouse packs 32 stitch applications into an incredibly portable package. What impressed me most is how Singer designed this specifically for mending and repairs while keeping it kid-friendly. The top drop-in bobbin has a transparent cover so kids can actually see when thread's running low. That's huge for building independence. The free arm functionality means sleeves, cuffs, and pant hems become totally manageable projects. The dial controls are dead simple, no digital displays or confusing symbols. Kids pick their stitch, adjust the settings, and go. It handles everything from straight stitches to zigzag to blind hems. For 8 to 12-year-olds learning garment repair and basic alterations, this teaches practical life skills that'll serve them forever. Here's what you should know though. The ultra-lightweight build means less stability with heavier fabrics. If your child wants to sew denim or multiple layers regularly, they might notice some fabric shifting. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider based on their project plans. The value proposition is remarkable. You're spending significantly less than full-size machines while getting serious functionality. For kids who need portability for classes or camps, or families with limited space, this delivers professional results in a beginner-friendly package. At number 2, we've got the Brother XM2701, and this is where things get seriously impressive for growing sewers. You're looking at 27 built-in stitches, including decorative options, quilting stitches, and a one-step automatic buttonhole that actually works consistently. The automatic needle threader alone is worth its weight in gold. No more squinting and frustration. Kids just follow the simple mechanism and they're ready to sew in seconds. That jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin means way less time troubleshooting and more time creating. The bright LED work light illuminates everything beautifully, especially helpful when working with darker fabrics. What really sets this apart is the free arm versatility. Kids can tackle clothing alterations, stuffed animals, bags, pretty much anything they dream up. At just over 15 pounds, it's light enough for a 10-year-old to move around independently, but stable enough for consistent stitch quality across different materials. Here's the consideration. With 27 stitches and more features, there's a slightly steeper learning curve than simpler machines. Younger children around 7 or 8 might feel initially overwhelmed, but honestly, they'll grow into those features rather than outgrowing the machine quickly, which saves money long term. You're getting 6 quick change presser feet, an instructional DVD, lifetime technical support, and a 25-year warranty. Brother basically says, we've got you covered forever. For kids around 9 and up who are serious about developing real skills, this machine will carry them from beginner through intermediate with room to spare. And our number 1 pick is the Brother CS7000X, the absolute best investment for kids serious about sewing. You're getting 70 built-in stitches with utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting functions, plus 7 one-step buttonholes. This is essentially a professional machine with kid-friendly controls. The LCD display and button system make navigation intuitive, while those 3 speed options let children start slow and increase pace as confidence builds. That improved automatic needle threader that actually reliably works is something even adult sewers appreciate, eliminating the number 1 frustration point. What really sets this apart is the metal frame construction and fixed needle bar that provide rock-solid stability. Your child gets cleaner, more professional-looking stitches from day 1, which builds confidence faster than anything else. The large workspace handles ambitious projects, including full-size quilts. Here's what to know. This is the most expensive option on our list and the most feature-rich. For kids who just want to try sewing casually, it might be overkill. You're making a real investment here that assumes sewing becomes a lasting hobby. The future-proofing is exceptional. This machine will take them from beginner projects through high school home economics and potentially into college or adult crafting. You're buying once for potentially a decade plus of use. The protective hard case, 10 presser feet, and wide table mean they have everything needed. Those are your top 5 children's sewing machines that actually deliver results. Remember to check those Amazon links in the description box below for current prices and special deals. If this helped you decide, drop a like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Happy sewing!